In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates, quotes, and proposals in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself in need of streamlining your business processes, using QuickBooks can significantly help you manage your finances more effectively. So let's dive in and walk through the easy steps to create and send these essential documents. First, we begin by navigating to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. Once the page loads, sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. It's crucial to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to create estimates, so if you're not the account owner, you might want to check that you can access these functions. After you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which is your heart of operations in QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to locate the New button. It should be prominently located on your dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options for creating financial documents. This menu is your gateway to efficiency, so remember this spot. From the drop-down options, find and click on Estimate. This choice will lead you to a new screen where you can begin filling out the details of your estimate. It's a good practice to have your data ready beforehand. Know who your client is, the services or goods they're interested in, and any pricing specifics you'll need to include. Once you reach the estimate form, you'll want to start by choosing the customer for whom the estimate is intended. If the customer is already in your QuickBooks database, you can easily select their name from the drop-down list. Otherwise, you may need to add a new customer. Don't forget to fill out all necessary details such as the estimate date, expiration date, and a unique estimate number. Now is the time to add the line items. This includes products, services, or any other billable items involved in the estimate. Enter each item's description, quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes. QuickBooks allows you to add detailed notes or messages to your client as well, enhancing communication and clarity. Once everything is accurately entered, you can proceed to either print or download the estimate for your records or to share with your client. You'll find the Print or Download button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it offers you a chance to print the document immediately or save it as a PDF to your computer. Remember, before sending the estimate, double-check all entries to avoid any discrepancies or misinformation, which could lead to misunderstandings with your client. With QuickBooks, you're equipped with a tool that enhances your professional credibility and helps manage your client's expectations effectively. Enjoy using QuickBooks for all your financial and management needs, and happy estimating!